केंद्र सरकाराकडल्यान कुठ्ठाळे आणि दाबोळे वाठारात सिवेज प्रश्न सुटावो करपाक निधी सँक्शन झाल्या। आता दाबोळेत स्विमिंग पूलाच्या कामाक आणि जॉगर्स पार्काच्या सुशोभितीकरण कामाक रोखडीच सुरवात जातली म्हण माहिती पंचायत मंत्री मविन गुदिनो हांणी दिल्या। RDX खातीर दाबोळच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Two schemes were sanctioned from the center. It was all central funds. One for Kortalim, sewage funds, which included areas also from Dabolim. At the moment, EFC also has cleared the proposal where funds came from the center of 267 crores. It covers entire Kortalim. It covers whole of Dabolim except Wade and New Wade areas. Now, Wade and New Wade areas were not covered because at that point of time, the then local MLA objected to the survey. So, obviously, that took a back seat. Thereafter, when I became the MLA from Dabolim, that scheme was envisaged, survey was undertaken. So, you have a second estimate of almost 150 crores, which also has been sanctioned by the center. Only EFC clearance has to come. Once this comes, you will see tendering being done for the entire Dabolim and Kortalim constituency. Means this entire area it will be covered by a sewage scheme. You know how important it is. Why? Because the strata of the soil is such that water just does not go inside the earth, and the water spills all over. Sewage water spills all over the road. You have sometimes sewage overflowing because we are not able to have a good system. Now government has taken a decision to have sewage system in entire Goa, and the first areas that you see that are covered, where estimates are drawn, they are passed, they are at a NIT stage, is areas of Dabolim and perhaps Kortalim. So the land is being transferred by the Chikalim Komda to the Panchayat, and Panchayat in turn to the Sports Authority of Goa, wherein we will be also having a swimming pool here. So various infrastructure is being put in place to make a healthy living, and amenities what are required by the citizens. So this is how we are working. There are several phase 2 of the Joggers Park. The work also is supposed to commence in a month's time, wherein we will be having a food court. Along with the food court in the Joggers Park, we will also be having an entertainment area where the place can be used by the public from the Panchayat on hire for open air functions during season. So these are revenue generating things for the Panchayat to maintain the park in a very good condition.